Hello, good morning everyone. Solution of question paper 2019, question number 11. This was question paper 2019, question number 11. PQR Industries Limited has imported certain equipment from Japan at an FOB cost rupees 4 lakh. How much FOB cost is there? FOB cost is rupees 4 lakh. Then the other expenses incurred by it in these transactions are as follows. Freight from Japan to Indian airport 20,000 yen, right? So 20,000 yen is freight. So we'll see this one freight actually here now. So 20,000 freight at a 0.4. I will show that to this one later, right? Next one now. Insurance will take last one. Designing charges paid by consultancy in Japan. It is paid in the exporter, means the exporter place, that is in Japan. Importer place it is paid, not considered. 60,000 rupee. So this was added. Designing charges 60,000 into 40 paise. That is 40 paise means this one. If you read here, you will get the rates. This rate, right? So designing charges 60,000. What is the rate? CBE and C, that is Central Board of Exchange and Customs, had notified the purpose of section 14 Customs Act 1962. Exchange rate is how much? 0.4. So 0.4 is the yen. So 0.4 into this 20,000, sorry, 60,000. So you will get this figure, right? So next expenses is like this. Messrs PQR Industries had limited has expended rupees 1 lakh in India. See, for the development activities in India. So it is paid by the PQR Limited, paid in the development charges as a development charges in India. If it is paid in Indian land, any development charges or any kind of expenses paid by importer is not considered. So I think it was added in the solution. See, not included in the assessable value because these are the post shipment. If the goods are arrived to India, then it is the expenses made. So it is not considered. Similar for that, it has incurred a road transportation cost. Mumbai port, where Mumbai port, their factory in Karnataka. So it was in paid in India, in the Mumbai, that is in India, not considered. This one, see, not considered. So explanation is here. Then commission paid 4 lakh, that is 5%. See, I will show that commission, how the commission is paid. See, this one is over, this point is clear now. This 6th point is exchange ratio. 7th point is company, the exchange rate is 0.415. Leave this one. 7th one, the commission paid to the agent in India at 5% FOB. On FOB 5%. So FOB is, if you see here, FOB is 4 lakh Indian rupees, right? So on the Indian rupees, 5% means 20,000. So you will get the total. Add all these items, you will get the 4,44,000 as a total. So on this now 20%. So on this 20% means 20% of 4,44,000 means it was almost 10% means 44,000. It was more than 8,000. Actually, how much they given freight? The freight given is 20,000 yen, right? So 20,000 yen into Indian currency, it was 8,000. If you find the 20% of this one, it was different, right? So 8,000 is the smallest one. Take the 8,000. Then remember, this was 20,000 in Indian rupees is the side. It is in yen into this rate 0.4. So we will get the multiply these two, will get what actually 8,000. So 8,000 is the smallest as compared to this rate. 20% of this or this 8,000, least is 8,000. Insurance, as it is actually given, you need to consider how much insurance given. Rupees form, 10,000 rupees insurance is there at 10,000. So total is how much now? The CIF for accessible value 4,62,000. So on 4,62,000, 35% is the 35.38.5 is the tax rate. So charge the 38.5 as a tax rate, you will get the total value, that is custom duty payable this one, then assessable value is 4,62,000. So if you have any doubts for this question number 2019 question number 11, so if you are having any doubts, just ask me. Thank you.